Hey guys, let's compare a 1995 27-inch TV to a 2023 27-inch TV. They are clearly different shapes, but the 27-inch is measuring the length of the diagonals. So which one of these TVs is larger? Let's figure it out. Back in the 90s, the aspect ratio of a TV was 4:3. And in 2023, it's 16:9. So if we look at the side lengths of the TV, if we call this 4A, we would call this 3A. And then we can use Pythagorean theorem to solve for A. We can do 4a squared plus 3a squared equals 27 squared. This square goes to both the 4 and the a, so it becomes 16a squared. And same thing here, this becomes 3 squared a squared, which is 9a squared. And then 27 squared is equal to 729. And then 16a squared plus 9a squared is 25a squared. We can divide both sides by 25, and we get a squared is equal to 729 over 25. Now I want to try something cool with this. Let's break the a squared into a times a, and let's give ourselves a little bit of room. Now I want to multiply both sides by 3, and then multiply both sides by 4. And what I have on this left side now is 4a times 3a, which is what the area of this TV is. So in the place of 4a times 3a, I'm going to put area. And then 729 times 3 times 4 is 8748. And 8748 divided by 25 is 349.92. Let's give it a label of inches squared and put a box around it. Now we're ready to look at the other TV. Let's look at its side lengths, and this is going to be 16x by 9x. And now we're ready to do Pythagorean theorem again. It'll be 9x squared plus 16x squared equals 27 squared. The 9 and the x both get squared to give us 81x squared. And then this 16 and x both get squared to give us 256x squared. And then 27 squared is 729. 81x squared plus 256x squared is equal to 337x squared. We can divide both sides by 337, and we get x squared is equal to 729 over 337. And let's do the same trick we did before. Let's break this x squared into x times x, and let's give ourselves some space. Let's multiply both sides of the equation by 16 and both sides of the equation by 9. And now on our left-hand side, we have 9x times 16x. That is the area of our TV. So let's change this to area. And 729 times 16 times 9 is equal to 104,976. And 104,976 divided by 337 is approximately equal to 311.5. Let's give it a label of inches squared and put a box around it. So we can see that the 1995 27-inch television had a larger area. And if we divide this area by this area, we get approximately 1.123. So we can conclude that the 1995 27-inch TV is about 12.3% larger. How exciting.